Good morning. I am about to hit the gym. I don't normally do that on the weekend, but it was a holiday weekend on Monday and I didn't go. And so today is my third gym session. And I don't want to do this, to be honest. I did not want to go at all. I was thinking this morning that so often in life, if you want to achieve something, if you want a better life, so to speak, whether that comes to finances, whether that comes to health and fitness, whether that comes to the way your body looks aesthetically, whether it comes if you want to own businesses that are successful, then those things, getting that result is about showing up over and over and over again, even when you don't want to, about not letting your emotions dictate to you what you do and deciding what you do based on an emotional basis, but literally knowing, okay, here is what I'm working towards. These are the things that actually get me towards that goal. And I got to show up every day, whether I want to or not, in some small way. But here's the thing, just showing up over and over again and focusing on things that don't actually get you to your goal will never get you to where you want to be. I see this all the time. Okay, so I'll use business, for example. With Dustin and I own a few successful businesses at this point. There were times in building those businesses, which a couple of them were kind of accidental businesses that turned into businesses. But there were times when I was working on stuff that was busy work, but it never actually furthered the business. It was like it felt busy, it felt like important work, but they were not the things that actually drove the business further and helped us be more successful with that business. And so over the years of owning businesses, I've had to really fine tune it down to what matters most. When it comes to your fitness journey, there are a few things, it depends on your goal, that will get you to where you want to be long term and that you should focus on long term. If you have a goal of building muscle and losing fat, which would mean that you are changing your overall body composition and how your weight is made up, okay? Then you need to be focusing on not all these random workouts out there. You need to be focusing on following a good, structured, built for you strength program. It's one of the reasons why I coach with Faster Way, is because that is provided to you when you work with me as a coach. It's a phenomenal strength program. And if you want to give it a try, there's a 14-day mini program that you're welcome to try, and then roll into coaching with me after that. Nutrition, and you got to be more active throughout the day. Those are the things that are going to get you. All the other little things, like, do I need this? Do I need that? Do I need this? Squirrel, 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 squirrel. Like, we want to go after every shiny object out there. And yet, like I said in business, like I had learned, usually there are a few things that you need to work on to actually have the life that you say you want, or the business that you say you want, or the body you say you want. We don't need to be distracted by all the extra little pieces. If we want to bring those in later, cool, we can. But they are not the core of what gets you to your goal. The core of what gets you to your goal are those things that you practice over and over again, your non-negotiables. So for me, one of those things, because I have body composition goals, I want muscle for life. The longevity of that, I got to strength train. It's a non-negotiable. So I'm going to go in and get it done.